Kami melompat ke atas bersama-sama. We jump up together. We jump up together. Ruangan saya ada di atas lantai kedua. My room is up on the second floor. My room is up on the second floor. Mana yang lain? Where are the others? Where are the others? Saya benci perasaan kesepian ini. I hate the feel of this loneliness. I hate the feel of this loneliness. Sekolah saya dekat dari rumah saya. My school is a few steps from my home. My school is a few steps from my home. Saya tidak punya uang lagi sekarang. I have no more money now. I have no more money now. Saya kecewa denganmu. I am disappointed with you. I am disappointed with you. Ia hampir tidak mengetahui apa yang dilakukannya. He hardly know what to do. He hardly know what to do. Ia masih ragu-ragu. He is uncertain. He is uncertain. Aku akan menemukanmu. I will find you. I will find you. Tidak ada pengiriman hari ini. There is no delivery today. There is no delivery today. Jangan risaukan dirimu tentang itu. Don't upset yourself about it. Don't upset yourself about it. Hampir tidak seorang pun mempercayainya. Hardly anybody trusts him. Hardly anybody trusts him. Sungguh menggembirakan. It exciting. It exciting. Kita tidak bisa menghindari kesalahan. We can't avoid making mistake. We can't avoid making mistake. Aku tak tahan tinggal di rumah ini. I can't stand living in this house. I can't stand living in this house. Dia menikmati permainan golf. She always enjoy playing golf. She always enjoy playing golf. Saya menunda menjawab pertanyaannya. I delayed answering the question. I delayed answering the question. Maju terus. Keep moving. Keep moving. Saya lelah. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. Dia seorang guru tidak sabar. He is an impatient teacher. He is an impatient teacher. Belajar terus. Keep learning. Keep learning. Dia gugup untuk berbicara. She got nervous to speak. She got nervous to speak. Dia beruntung. She had the good fortune. She had the good fortune. Semua yang saya butuhkan adalah uang. All I need is money. All I need is money. Aku suka pekerjaan ini. I love this job. I love this job. Atur jadwalmu dengan baik. Arrange your schedule well. Arrange your schedule well. Saya ingin bicara denganmu sekarang. I want to ask for you now. I want to ask for you now. Bank tersebut tidak memiliki cabang di sini. The bank doesn't have branch here. The bank doesn't have branch here. Kita tidak gampang didoktrinasi. We are not easily brainwashed. We are not easily brainwashed. Saya sangat setuju dia pintar. I agree she was smart. I agree she was smart. Mari berlatih berdansa sekarang. Let's practice dancing now. Let's practice dancing now. Saya tidak ingat panggilannya. I don't remember calling him. I don't remember calling him. Berhenti bicara. Stop talking. Stop talking. Saya tidak mau berhenti bicara. I don't want to stop talking. I don't want to stop talking. Anak itu sudah berhenti merokok. The boy had given up smoking. The boy had given up smoking. Saya peduli denganmu, sayang. I care for you, honey. I care for you, honey. Dia faham cara mengatur bisnisnya. He understands managing his business. He understands managing his business. Jakarta adalah ibu kota Indonesia. Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. Saya harus membatalkan pertemuan ini. I have to cancel this meeting. I have to cancel this meeting. Dia tidak hadir tanpa alasan yang baik. He is absent without a good reason. He is absent without a good reason. Beritahu saya jika kamu berubah pikiran. Let me know if you change your mind. Let me know if you change your mind. Kami tidak mau ambil risiko meninggalkan dia sendirian. We can't risk leaving her alone. We can't risk leaving her alone. Letakkan meja ini di tengah ruangan. Put this table in the center of the room. Put this table in the center of the room. Sia-sia saja, tidak ada gunanya. It's no use. It's no use. Saya memiliki kesempatan untuk kuliah di luar negeri. I have an opportunity to study abroad. I have an opportunity to study abroad. Mohon duduk dalam bentuk lingkaran. Please sit in a circle. Please sit in a circle. Tidak baik meludah di lantai. It's not good spitting on the floor. It's not good spitting on the floor. Tidak ada ruginya atau bahayanya. There is no harm in. There is no harm in. Saya harus pergi sekarang. I got to go now. I got to go now. Atau biasanya orang menyebutkan secara cepat, I gotta go now. I gotta go now. Manusia tidak bisa hidup tanpa udara. Human can't live without air. Human can't live without air. Itu adalah sebuah kesalahan. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. Rapat sedang berlangsung. Meeting in progress. Meeting in progress. Dia seorang pengusaha. He is a businessman. He is a businessman. Itu kewajiban saya untuk menceritakan yang sebenarnya. It was my duty to tell her the truth. It was my duty to tell her the truth. Banyak orang tertarik sama buku ini. Many people interested in this book. Many people interested in this book. Saya mendapatkan gaji pokok dan komisi. I got a basic salary and commission. I got a basic salary and commission. I got a basic salary and commission. Kita harus mengakhiri perundingan ini. We have to end this negotiation. We have to end this negotiation. Gaji dapat didiskusikan. The salary is negotiable. The salary is negotiable. Dia selalu marah kepada saya. She is always angry with me. She is always angry with me. Anda berurusan dengan orang yang salah. You are dealing with the wrong person. You are dealing with the wrong person. Sangatlah penting untuk melanjutkan pendidikan kita. It's very important to continue our studies. It's very important to continue our studies. Ini punya risiko tinggi. It has a high risk. It has a high risk. Dia akan mengambil resiko. He will take the risk. He will take the risk. Banyak orang takut ular. Many people are afraid of snake. Many people are afraid of snake. Anda kelihatan tidak ikhlas mengerjakan pekerjaan ini. You look not willing to do this job. You look not willing to do this job. Dia mudah bergaul. He is quick at making friends. He is quick at making friends. Kita harus bersyukur setiap waktu. We must be grateful every time. We must be grateful every time. Dia sedang bertugas. He is on duty. He is on duty. Mohon bersabar dengan saya. Patient with me. Please be patient with me. Kita harus berhati-hati dengan laki-laki itu. We must be careful of that man. We must be careful of that man. Kita seharusnya bekerja keras. We should work hard. We should work hard. Merokok berbahaya bagi kesehatan kita. Smoking is dangerous for our health. Smoking is dangerous for our health. Tekan tombol enter untuk mengirim pesan. Press the enter key to send your message. Press the enter key to send your message. Kita harus berterima kasih kepada orang tua kita. We have to thankful to our parents. We have to thankful to our parents. Tolong perlakukan saya seperti orang dewasa. Please treat me like an adult. Please treat me like an adult. Saya ragu-ragu atas kejujuranmu. I am doubtful about your honesty. I am doubtful about your honesty. Saya benar-benar tidak mendengar. I didn't actually hear. I didn't actually hear. Sebenarnya saya tidak tahu masalah tersebut. Actually, I don't know that matter. Actually, I don't know that matter. Saya berjanji. You have my word. You have my word. Kami membuat keuntungan. We made a profit. We made a profit. Harga BBM telah naik. The price of petrol has risen. The price of petrol has risen. Saya selalu optimis terhadap masa depan. I'm always optimistic about my future. I'm always optimistic about my future. Dia sangat pelit kepadaku. He was very stingy to me. He was very stingy to me. Istirahat adalah bermanfaat bagi tubuh kita. Rest is beneficial to our body. Rest is beneficial to our body. Kedua negara mencapai permufakatan. Both two countries reach agreement. Both two countries reach agreement. Saya tidak tahu kenapa dia menjauhi saya. I didn't know why he avoided me. I didn't know why he avoided me. Saya tidak hadir ke kelas kemarin. I was absent from class yesterday. I was absent from class yesterday. Waspada terhadap pencopet. Beware of pickpockets. Beware of pickpocket. Dia melihatku. He looked at me. He looked at me. Aku menantikanmu. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Kami berharap Anda berhasil. We hope your success. We hope your success. Angkat tangan. Hands up. Hands up. Saya menyesal sekali. I'm sorry indeed. I'm sorry indeed. Saya harus minta maaf kepada Anda. I must apologize to you. I must apologize to you. Jangan menganggap saya kasar. Don't think me rude. Don't think me rude. Saya menyesali kesalahpahaman di antara kita. I regret the misunderstanding between us. I regret the misunderstanding between us. Sangat disesalkan hal seperti itu. It's very regrettable. It's very regrettable. Jangan tersinggung. Don't be offended. Don't be offended. Percayalah. You may be sure. You may be sure. Akan kuingat selamanya. I will remember it forever. I will remember it forever. I will remember it forever. Terima kasih atas sambutan yang ramah dari Anda. Many thanks for your hospitality. Many thanks for your hospitality. Kamu harus minum obat. You must take a medicine. You must take a medicine. Kondisinya sudah pulih. Her condition has been recovered. Her condition has been recovered. Dia adalah pelatih sepak bola. He's a football coach. He's a football coach. Pelan-pelan dia melunasi hutangnya. Slowly he paid off his debt. Slowly he paid off his debt. Saya ragu-ragu nanya ke dia. I hesitate to ask him. I hesitate to ask him. I hesitate to ask him. Dia datang ke sini tepat waktu. He come here on time. He come here on time. Dia seorang guru yang baik. He's a good teacher. He is a good teacher. Aku akan melakukan itu lagi. I will do it again. I will do it again. Lakukan itu lagi. Please do it again. Please do it again. Ada banyak pasir di pantai. There is much sand on the beach. There is much sand on the beach. Paman saya lebih sehat sekarang. My uncle is much better now. My uncle is much better now. Saya sangat menyukainya. I like it very much. I like it very much. Dia selalu bertanya padaku berulang-ulang. He always asks me again and again. He always asks me again and again. Saya setuju. I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Ia seorang yang berwatak baik. He's a man of good character. He's a man of good character. Saya akan makan siang sebentar lagi. I'll take my lunch presently. I'll take my lunch presently. Tunggu sebentar. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Saya kira sebentar lagi kamu boleh pulang. Presently, I think you might go home. Presently, I think you might go home. Itu giliran saya sekarang. It's my turn now. It's my turn now. Katakan pada saya sekali lagi apa yang kamu mau. Tell me once again what you want. Tell me once again what you want. Saya berbicara untuk kali ini saja. I speak one for all. I speak one for all. Dia bekerja di kebun terus-menerus. He's working in the garden on and on. He's working in the garden on and on. Kemarilah. Come on. Come on. Silakan beristirahat. Please take a rest. Please take a rest. Saya baru saja kembali dari Mekah. I just come back from Mekah. I just come back from Mekah. Ia baru saja menulis sebuah surat. He has just written a letter. He has just written a letter. Saya hanya ingin memperingatkannya. I just want to admonish him. I just want to admonish him. Ariana datang kemari untuk melihat saya. Ariana come here to see me. Ariana come here to see me. Ambil itu. Just take it. Just take it. Datang ke sini. Just come here. Just come here. Itulah justru yang aku inginkan. There is just one I wanted. There is just one I wanted. Inilah justru buku yang saya inginkan. This just the book what I want. This just the book what I want. This just the book what I want. Jangan memboroskan uangmu. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your money. Saya baru saja tiba. I'm just coming. I'm just coming. Barusan dia berada di sini. Just now he was here. Just now he was here. Meja terbuat dari kayu. Table is made of wood. Table is made of wood. Dia berdiri di samping saya. He was standing beside me. He was standing beside me. Rumahku di samping sebuah masjid yang besar. My house is beside a great mosque. My house is beside a great mosque. Saya membuka pintu itu dengan kunci ini. I opened the door with this key. I opened the door with this key. Dia menulis sebuah surat dengan pensil. He write a letter with a pencil. He write a letter with a pencil. Alangkah cantiknya kamu. How beautiful you are. How beautiful you are. Dia anak laki-laki yang pandai. He is smart boy. He is smart boy. Saya mau beli sebuah buku cerita baru. I want to buy a new storybook. I want to buy a new storybook. Kamu harus bangun lebih cepat besok pagi. You must get up early tomorrow morning. You must get up early tomorrow morning. Jagalah kelas agar tetap bersih. Keep the class clean. Keep the class clean. Kita harus menjaga rumah kita agar tetap rapi. We should keep our house tidy. We should keep our house tidy. Sebenarnya hidup ini sederhana. Actually, life is simple. Actually, life is simple. Jaga tubuhmu agar tetap fit setiap saat. Keep your body fit every time. Keep your body fit every time. Ia bebas dari tanggung jawab. He is free of responsibility. He is free of responsibility. Ia lambat dalam berbicara. She's slow of speech. She's slow of speech. Dia cepat jalannya. He's swift of foot. He's swift of foot. Dia adalah istri yang luar biasa. She is an extraordinary wife. She is an extraordinary wife. Ia jujur dalam ucapan dan perbuatan. He is honest in word and deed. He is honest in word and deed. Ia sangat hemat. He is very economical. He is very economical. Hatinya putih bersih. She is pure in heart. She is pure in heart. Saya ingin pergi. I would like to go. I would like to go. Ia sangat kaya. She is very rich. She is very rich. Dia miskin tapi jujur. He is poor but honest. He is poor but honest. Buku itu menarik. The book is interesting. The book is interesting. Berhenti. Stop it. Stop it. Dia sakit. He was out of health. He was out of health. Mohon perhatian Anda. Please your attention. Please your attention. Berhati-hatilah. Waspada. Be very cautious. Be very cautious. Sudah waktunya pergi. It's time to go. It's time to go. Saya menaruh penghormatan yang tinggi kepada guru saya. I have a greatest respect to my teacher. I have a greatest respect to my teacher. Kami tidak pergi keluar saat hujan. We don't go out in the rain. We don't go out in the rain. Anda harus mengakuinya. You must admit it. You must admit it. Hari akan hujan. It's going to rain. It's going to rain. Hidung saya rasanya tersumbat. My nose feels stuffy. My nose feels stuffy. Saya tidak menyukai rasa bawang putih. I don't like the taste of garlic. I don't like the taste of garlic. Anda boleh duduk. You may sit down. You may sit down. Besok aku mau pergi. I will go out tomorrow. I will go out tomorrow. Ia berjanji. He made a promise. He made a promise. Ia akan segera kembali. He would return soon. He would return soon. Kita tidak dapat berbuat apa-apa. We can do nothing. We can do nothing. Kedua orang tua saya adalah dokter. Both my parents are doctors. Both my parents are doctors. Ia datang ke sini 2 jam yang lalu. He come here 2 hours ago. He come here 2 hours ago. Dia akan sukses. He will succeed. He will succeed. Berita yang mengerikan. Terrible news. Terrible news. Itu seharusnya cukup. That should be enough. That should be enough. Saya punya cukup uang. I have enough money. I have enough money. Dia benar-benar presiden yang pintar. He is a real smart president. He is a real smart president. Mengapa rupamu begini? What a sight you are. What a sight you are. Alangkah bagusnya pemandangan ini. What a pretty view. What a pretty view. Dia sedang bekerja. He's working. He's working. Secara keseluruhan kopinya enak. Overall, the coffee is good. Overall, the coffee is good. Angin ribut akan tiba. The white weather will come. The white weather will come. Saya bukan anak laki-laki pemalas. I'm not lazy boy. I'm not lazy boy. Saya berada di sana. I was there. I was there. Tutuplah pintu itu. Shut the window. Shut the window. Tidur adalah perlu untuk hidup. Sleeping is necessary to life. Sleeping is necessary to life. Saya tidak suka merokok. I don't like smoking. I don't like smoking. Dia suka berburu. He enjoy hunting. He enjoy hunting. Ia suka berbelanja. She like shopping. She like shopping. Ia tidak suka senda gurau. He dislike joking. He dislike joking. Saya akan kembali nanti. I will be back later. I will be back later. Itu opini yang sepenuhnya salah. There is absolutely wrong opinion. There is absolutely wrong opinion. Saya ingin menemuimu malam ini. I want to see you tonight. I want to see you tonight. Kami akan pergi ke luar negeri pada bulan Juli. We will go to abroad in July. We will go to abroad in July. Ia pandai dalam mengajarkan bahasa Inggris. He is clever at teaching English. He is clever at teaching English. Saya senang sekali atas kedatangan Anda. I am pleased at your coming. I am pleased at your coming. Kami berlari sekitar taman. We run around the garden. We run around the garden. Saya tinggal dekat sini. I live around here. I live around here. Diamlah. No talking. No talking. Dia seorang perokok. He is a smoking man. He is a smoking man. Itulah rumah yang terbakar. There is a burning house. There is a burning house. Tolong taruh barang itu di samping. Please put that thing aside. Please put that thing aside. Saya setuju untuk membantumu. I agree to help you. I agree to help you. Kue tersebut dibuat oleh bibi saya. The cake is made by my aunt. The cake is made by my aunt. Rapat itu hampir selesai. The meeting is nearly finished. The meeting is nearly finished. Sekarang pukul 7. It's nearly 7 o'clock. It's nearly 7 o'clock. Saya percaya apa yang kamu katakan. I believe what you say. I believe what you say. Kita harus siap untuk itu. We shall be ready for it. We shall be ready for it. Dia punya banyak buku. She has several lot of book. She has several lot of book. Malam itu dihabiskan dengan doa. The night was spent in prayer. The night was spent in prayer. Saya harus bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris. I must be able to speak English. I must be able to speak English. Kebaikan dari dalam diri adalah bagus. The inner self is good. The inner self is good. Dia bukan siapa-siapa bagiku. He is nothing to me. He is nothing to me. Dia telah membaca majalah yang lain. She has read another magazine. She has read another magazine. Tolong berikan saya buku yang lain. Please give me another book. Please give me another book. Saya di rumah ibu saya. I am at my mother's house. I am at my mother's house. Yang lain tidak hadir hari ini. The other are not present today. The other are not present today. Melanggar hukum memarkir mobil di sini. It's against the law to park car here. It's against the law to park car here. Kami akan mengendarai melalui terowongan. We will drive through the tunnel. We will drive through the tunnel. Itu adalah perbuatan yang tercela. That was a despicable act. That was a despicable act. Tolong bawa buku itu kepadaku. Please bring that book to me. Please bring that book to me. Kalau saya tidak salah ingatan bahwa if I remember rightly that. If I remember rightly that. Kita bisa pergi ke rumah dia sekarang ini. We can go to his house right now. We can go to his house right now. Janganlah bersedih. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Sampai saat ini dia masih sakit. He has been still ill. He has been still ill. Saya sangat sibuk hari ini. I'm very busy today. I'm very busy today. Peraturan baru ini mulai berlaku sekarang. These new rules apply as of now. These new rules apply as of now. Kita harus berlatih bahasa Inggris setiap hari. We must practice our English every day. We must practice our English every day. Sama saja. All the same. All the same. Anda semua sama saja. You are all the same. You are all the same. Jangan marah. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Pertama-tama sekali. First of all. First of all. Dengan suka sama suka. By mutual agreement. By mutual agreement. Mereka menikah saling suka sama suka. They are married by mutual agreement. They are married by mutual agreement. Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya cerita itu? Can you tell me that story? Can you tell me that story? Anda benar. You are right. You are right. Saya di dalam kamar. I'm in the room. I am in the room. Kami di rumah. We are at home. We are at home. Jangan berlari. Don't run. Don't run. Saya punya sedikit waktu untuk mengerjakannya. I have little time to do it. I have little time to do it. Jangan malas. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Berilah saya sedikit roti. Please give me a little bread. Please give me a little bread. Please give me a little bread. Semuanya setuju. All are agreed. All are agreed. Semua orang diterima dengan senang hati. All are welcome. All are welcome. Saya tidak membutuhkan sesuatu. I don't want any. I don't want any. Siapapun dapat melakukannya. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. Anda dapat membeli apa saja di toko itu. You can buy everything in the shop. You can buy everything in the shop. Kebanyakan siswa itu rajin. Most of students are diligent. Most of students are diligent. Tak seorang pun yang datang. Nobody come. Nobody come. Beberapa orang berpendapat demikian. Some think so. Some think so. Ada seseorang sedang mengetuk pintu. Somebody is knocking at the door. Somebody is knocking at the door. Ada seseorang mengatakannya kepada saya. Someone told me about it. Someone told me about it. Saya tak dapat menceritakan kepadamu sekarang. I can't tell you now. I can't tell you now. Saya tidak mengerti apa yang Anda maksudkan. I don't understand what you mean. I don't understand what you mean. Itulah yang disukainya. That is what she like. That is what she like. Saya tahu semua yang dikatakannya. I know all he said. I know all he said. Saya melihat sesuatu yang dilakukannya. I saw everything he did. I saw everything he did. Itu nasihat yang baik. That's a good advice. That's a good advice. Mereka memperoleh kemajuan. They are making progress. They are making progress. Ini adalah kabar baik. This is a good news. This is a good news. Itulah informasi yang menarik. That is interesting information. There is interesting information. Ia mengajarkan ilmu pengetahuan. He taught science. He taught science. Mereka belajar melalui percakapan. They learn through conversation. They learn through conversation. Hidupnya senang. She had a good life. She had a good life. Ia amat menyenangkan. She's great fun. She's great fun. Gerak badan adalah baik untuk kesehatan. Exercise is good for health. Exercise is good for health. Siapapun dapat melakukannya. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. Anda boleh datang pada sembarang waktu. You may come at any time. You may come at any time. Anda boleh mengambil apa saja yang Anda butuhkan. You can have anything you want. You can have anything you want. Saya tidak mempunyai uang di saku saya. I have no money on me. I have no money on me. Kita semua harus bekerja sama. We all must work together. We all must work together. Ia telah menempuh hidup yang bahagia. He has a happy life. He has a happy life. Saya mau mengakui bahwa saya salah. I will admit that I am wrong. I will admit that I am wrong. Mereka tidak boleh lewat. They shall not pass. They shall not pass. Saya akan pergi. I will go. I will go. Kami mau melakukannya. We will do it. We will do it. Dia dapat berenang dengan baik. He can swim very well. He can swim very well. Mungkin saya terlambat. I may be late. I may be late. Seperti Anda ketahui. As you know. As you know. Apakah itu mungkin? Is it possible? Is it possible? Saya suka gagasan itu. I like that suggestion. I like that suggestion. Kedengarannya seperti suatu ide yang baik. It sounds like a good idea. It sounds like a good idea. Maafkan saya datang terlambat. Excuse me for coming late. Excuse me for coming late. Mohon maaf lahir batin. I beg your pardon body and soul. I beg your pardon body and soul. Tunggu sebentar. Hang on. Hang on. Sampai di mana saya tadi? Now where was I? Now where was I? Aku merindukanmu setiap saat. I miss you every time. I miss you every time. Ayo, semua naik. All aboard. All aboard. Dengan senang hati. With pleasure. With pleasure. Sesuka hatimu. As you like. As you like. Ia boleh bicara sesukanya. He may speak as he like. He may speak as he like. Sekali-kali. Once in a while. Once in a while. Satu hal yang perlu diperhatikan. For one thing. For one thing. Titik. That's that. That's that. Saya tidak mau pergi. Titik. I want to go. There's that. I want to go. There's that. Kamu harus membayar hutangmu sekarang. You have to pay your bill right now. You have to pay your bill right now. Aku ingin ceritakan sesuatu kepadamu. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. Lihat sini. Look here. Look here. Perhatikanlah. See here. See here. Itu busnya datang. Here come the bus. Here come the bus. Dalam hal ini. In this case. In this case. Kok bisa begitu? How so? How so? Apa komentarmu? How's that? How's that? Sudah di ambang pintu. At hand. At hand. Ujian akhir sudah di ambang pintu. The final examination is at hand. The final examination is at hand. Bersiap-siaplah untuk segala sesuatunya. Be ready for everything. Be ready for everything. Tak berguna sama sekali. Good for nothing. Good for nothing. Saya tidak sengaja melakukannya. I didn't do it purposely. I didn't do it purposely. Sepanjang waktu. All the time. All the time. Silakan duluan. After you. After you. Dengan sengaja. On purpose. On purpose. Saya sependapat dengan Anda dalam hal itu. I'm at one with you at that point. I'm at one with you at that point. Saya telah melihatnya. I have seen it. I have seen it. Saya menonton film yang baik tadi malam. I saw a good film last night. I saw a good film last night. Mereka bekerja keras. They work hard. They work hard. Alangkah panasnya hari ini. How hot is today? How hot is today? Inilah rumah tempat kita tinggal. This is the house where we live. This is the house where we live. Beritahu saya kapan. Let me know when. Let me know when. Ia sungguh benar. He is quite right. He is quite right. Dia dalam keadaan sehat hari ini. She is well today. She is well today. Bus itu sudah berangkat. The bus is off. The bus is off. Sama saja. All one. All one. Sama saja bagi saya apa yang dia lakukan. It's all one to me what she does. It's all one to me what she does. Lebih kurang. More or less. More or less. Dia tidak pernah lagi datang ke rumah saya. She never more come to my house. She never more come to my house. Saya bangun pagi-pagi sekali. I get up early. I get up early. Bersabarlah. Be patient. Be patient. Apalagi? What else? What else? Apa lagi yang kamu mau? What else do you want? What else do you want? Apa lagi yang akan dia lakukan? What else will he do? What else will he do? Mondar-mandir. Up and around. Up and around. Up and around. Kenapa kamu mondar-mandir di sini? Why are you up and around here? Why are you up and around here? Sesegera mungkin. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Tolong letakkan tas itu di atas meja. Put that bag on the table, please. Put that bag on the table, please. Anda seharusnya datang ke sini. You should come here. You should come here. Saya biasanya bangun pada pukul 6 pagi. I usually get up at 6 o'clock. I usually get up at 6 o'clock. Dia berjalan-jalan pada pagi hari. He take a walk in the morning. He take a walk in the morning. Ia seorang laki-laki yang rendah hati. Is a humble man. Is a humble man. Jangan sombong. Don't be arrogant. Don't be arrogant. Lihat pada gambar. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Kapal itu akan tiba pada Senin. The ship will arrive on Monday. The ship will arrive on Monday. Dia datang dan duduk di sebelah saya. He come and sat beside me. He come and sat beside me. Saya mau menyelesaikannya dalam waktu 4 jam. I will finish it in 4 hours. I will finish it in 4 hours. Seperti biasanya. As usual. As usual. Istri saya kuliah ilmu kedokteran. My wife is studying medicine. My wife is studying medicine. Berenang adalah olahraga yang bagus. Swimming is a good sport. Swimming is a good sport. Dia jogging di pagi hari. She is jogging in the morning. She is jogging in the morning. Saya lapar. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Hari ini saya benar-benar bahagia. Today I'm really happy. Today I'm really happy. Berlatih membuat sempurna. Practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. Dia salah satu orang yang paling membantu yang saya kenal. She is one of the most helpful people I know. She is one of the most helpful people I know. Cuaca sangat panas hari ini. The weather is very hot today. The weather is very hot today. Saya menyukai perjalanan luar negeri. I love a foreign travel. I love a foreign travel. Dia peramah. He is a friendly person. He is a friendly person. Kami tinggal di rumah yang sangat besar. We live in a huge house. We live in a huge house. Pakaian-pakaian tersebut terlihat sangat besar. The clothes look very large. The clothes look very large. Dia tidak mengenal saya. He doesn't know me. He doesn't know me. Kami akan pergi ke Bali dengan segera. We will go to Bali immediately. We will go to Bali immediately. Hal yang penting adalah tetap berdoa. The important thing is keep praying. The important thing is keep praying. Tidak ada yang tidak mungkin. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Upacara yang sangat berkesan. An impressive ceremony. An impressive ceremony. Sebuah perjanjian tidak resmi. An informal agreement. An informal agreement. Sebuah kedamaian batin. An inner peace. An inner peace. Dia mempunyai kecantikan hati. She has an inner beauty. She has an inner beauty. Saya hamil. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Kamu luar biasa sibuknya. You are pure busy. You are pure busy. Jalan penyelesaiannya nyata. The solution is obvious. The solution is obvious. Dia seorang aktor terkenal. He is a famous actor. He is a famous actor. Berapa umur Anda? How old are you? How old are you? Anda kelihatan awet. You look so young. You look so young. Itu adalah senjata yang sangat kuat. It's a powerful weapon. It's a powerful weapon. Saya suka sepatu nyaman ini. I love these comfortable shoes. I love these comfortable shoes. Dia adalah pemimpin politik yang sebenarnya. He is the real political leader. He is the real political leader. Dia pikir itu aneh. He thought it strange. He thought it strange. Kecantikan dari luar. Outer beauty. Outer beauty. Saya masih lemah setelah sakit. I'm still weak after my illness. I'm still weak after my illness. Bagai lautan yang tenang. It was a calm sea. It was a calm sea. Mereka punya rumah di tepi sungai. They have a house on the river. They have a house on the river. Kami berenang di danau. We swam in the lake. We swam in the lake. Untuk apa? What for? What for? Tentu saja tidak. Of course not. Of course not. Jangan begini. Don't be like this. Don't be like this. Itu tidak apa-apa. It's never mind. It's never mind. Itu terserah kamu. It's up to you. It's up to you. Apa yang terjadi dengan orang tuamu? What happened to your parents? What happened to your parents? Tunggu sebentar. Just a moment. Just a moment. Untungnya tidak. Fortunately no. Fortunately no. Hati-hati di jalan. Be careful on the road. Be careful on the road. Saya tidak bermaksud demikian. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. Tidak serius. Not seriously. Not seriously. Segalanya berlangsung mulus. Everything is going on. Everything is going on. Bagaimanapun kamu selalu nomor satu. Anyway, you are always number one. Anyway, you are always number one. Aku selalu mengingatmu. I always remember you. I always remember you. Itu luar biasa. Is remarkable. Is remarkable. Kita hadapi bersama. We stand together. We stand together. Cobalah sedaya mampumu. Do your best. Do your best. Bukan persoalkan siapapun. No matter who. No matter who. Itu cinta pertamaku. It's my first love. It's my first love. Semuanya beres. Nothing's the matter. Nothing's the matter. Itu sangat benar. It's definitely correct. It's definitely correct. Maaf, tidak ada komentar. Sorry, no comment. Sorry, no comment. Itu karena kamu. It's because of you. It's because of you. Saya harap begitu. I hope so. I hope so. Apa yang bisa saya bantu? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Itu penjelasan yang jelas sekali. Is clearly explanation. Is clearly explanation. Rapat tengah berlangsung. Meeting in progress. Meeting in progress. Lagi pula. What's more? What's more? Habis memangnya kenapa? What of it? What of it? Itu mah gampang. It easy think. It easy think. Bersabarlah dengan saya. Be patient with me. Be patient with me. Anda harus bersabar. You should be patient. You should be patient. Itu nggak bisa dibantu. It can't be helped. It can't be helped. Apapun yang Anda katakan. Whatever you say. Whatever you say. Di lain pihak. On the other hand. On the other hand. Soalnya begini. It's like this. It's like this. Rupanya saya berfamili dengan kamu. Apparently I'm related to you. Apparently I'm related to you. Saya akan memberikan jawabannya. I will give the answer. I will give the answer. Kami memenangkan hadiah uang. We won the prize money. We won the prize money. Berhati-hatilah. Look out, please. Look out, please. Bagaimana kalau kita? How about it? How about it? Sebaiknya Anda. You would better. You would better. Saya tidak pernah berada di sana. I have never been there. I have never been there. Saya pinjami kamu buku. I lend you my book. I lend you my book. Dia menghilangkan buku saya. He lost my book. He lost my book. Sejujurnya, aku menyukaimu. Honestly, I like you. Honestly, I like you. Tidak akan lagi. Never again. Never again. Ini adalah pekerjaan yang tidak ada akhirnya. This is a never-ending work. This is a never-ending work. Itu sebuah mobil mahal? Is an expensive car? Is an expensive car? Saya punya banyak mobil. I have many cars. I have many cars. Sebaiknya Anda jangan merokok di ruangan ini. You would better not smoke in this room. You would better not smoke in this room. Mari kita jalan-jalan. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Itu tergantung kepada. It depend on. It depend on. Segalanya tergantung kepada Anda. Everything depends on you. Everything depends on you. Bantu kamu sendiri. Help yourself. Help yourself. Anggaplah seperti rumahmu sendiri. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. Mereka kebanyakannya orang baik. They mostly good people. They mostly good people. Buat dirimu nyaman. Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. Ada baiknya kalau. It's a good thing if. It's a good thing if. Kamu harus mengerjakan PR ini. You have to do this homework. You have to do this homework. Saya penasaran di mana ia tinggal. I wonder where he live. I wonder where he live. Mereka penasaran kenapa kita di sini. They wonder why we are here. They wonder why we are here. Dia akan datang ke sini besok. He will come here tomorrow. He will come here tomorrow. Waktunya untuk mempelajari. It is time to learn. It's time to learn. Kamu akan merasa lebih baik. You will feel better. You will feel better. Kalau saya tak ada halangan. If I have no objection. If I have no objection. Anda sudah mengerti maksud saya. You got my point. You got my point. Itu berita palsu. That is fake news. That is fake news. Kamu tidak perlu pergi. You don't need to go. You don't need to go. Hari ini hari Minggu. It is Sunday today. It's Sunday today. Wanita itu tidak dapat berenang sama sekali. The lady can't swim at all. The lady can't swim at all. Saya tidak paham masalah ini sama sekali. I don't understand this problem at all. I don't understand this problem at all. Saya akan bicara yang sebenarnya. I will tell the truth. I will tell the truth. Akhirnya dia datang ke sini. At last he come here. At last he come here. Perangkat ini bekerja sebagaimana mestinya. This device is working properly. This device is working properly. Akhirnya kami pulang ke rumah. At last we return home. At last we return home. Setidaknya saya menerima $1,000. At least I will receive $1,000. At least I will receive $1,000. Pria tersebut berbicara pelan-pelan. The man spoke slowly. The man spoke slowly. Periksa printer secara teratur. Check printer regularly. Check printer regularly. Sedikit bicara, banyak kerja. Talk less, do more. Talk less, do more. Saya punya nilai bagus di pelajaran biologi. I have good score in biology. I have good score in biology. Dia selalu membahas saya dengan sebutan Pak. He always addressed me with sir. He always addressed me with sir. Untuk sementara waktu. For the time being. For the time being. Saya akan tinggal bersama paman saya di sini. I will stay with my uncle here. I will stay with my uncle here. Tak dapat diragukan lagi. Beyond all doubt. Beyond all doubt. Kejujurannya tak dapat disangsikan lagi. His honesty is beyond of doubt. His honesty is beyond of doubt. Tempatnya kurang lebih 2 km dari sini. Is approximately 2 kilometers from here. Is approximately 2 kilometers from here. Masih disangsikan. In doubt. In doubt. Kemampuannya di bidang manajemen masih diragukan. His ability in management is in doubt. His ability in management is in doubt. Belum lama ini. Not a long ago. Not a long ago. Belum lama ini ia pergi ke Hong Kong dengan kapal. Not a long ago he went to Hong Kong by ship. Not a long ago he went to Hong Kong by ship. Terlalu banyak iklannya. Too many ads. Too many ads. Setahu saya. For all I know. For all I know. Dia adalah seorang ketua merangkap sekretaris. He is a chairman and secretary combined. He is a chairman and secretary combined. Sejauh yang saya ketahui. As far as I know. As far as I know. Pertanyaan yang sangat bagus. Very good question. Very good question. Giliran saya sekarang. It's my turn now. It's my turn now. Kita bisa berkonsultasi dengan dokter secara bergiliran. We can consult with the doctor by turn. We can consult with the doctor by turn. Sekarang giliranmu mentraktir kami. Now is your turn to treat us. Now is your turn to treat us. Sepanjang ingatan saya. As far as I remember. As far as I remember.